Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances that are usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. They're good value for money, they smell good. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So today I have unboxing a first impression, and this is the brand Orientica. This is a branch of Al Haramain. Al Haramain is very well known by now. Many of you would know Al Haramain, one of the best Middle Eastern fragrance houses. Yes, houses, not brands, because they make everything inside the house from scratch to the final product. Okay, so and Orientica is a branch or a subsidiary or another brand from Al Haramain. They kindly sent me this huge box to unbox and review. This is going to be only unboxing a first impression, obviously. Because it's a big box, I don't know how many is inside. Let's see. They are so new, I couldn't even find them on Orientica's website. So they are very brand new. It's just basically I'm the first one to unbox and give you the impression. So without further ado, let's do this. So you can see this is a huge box, massive. It's a wooden box and with a nice ribbon around it. So let's go. Okay, and it opens like this and comes like this. Is going to be a handful. Okay, so let's open. Alright, so 1, 2, 3 and 4. So there are 4 perfumes in here. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. Okay, so let's start with the red one. Okay, so so this is the red one. So this one is called Orientica XO, and it stands for Xclusif Oud. This is Extrait de Parfum. Extrait de Parfum is the highest concentration before pure perfume oil. So inside there are around 25 to 30% oils, and the rest are carriers. You know, different company use different carriers. And this one is called Orientica XO Xclusif Oud, and this is a sport. So very attractive, a very thick plastic box. Attention to detail is everywhere. Very attractive. Sorry about the noise. Very attractive box. It opens like this, and the bottle sits like this, and this is Extrait de Parfum, and there are 60 ml each. And look at that beautiful bottle, and the cap is very heavy metal. And attention to details, it says Orientica on top. Very attractive bottle. Let's see the sprayer. Very good sprayer. You don't need more than one because this is Extrait de Parfum. It's very strong. Here we go. So this is first impression, first sniff. Here we go. Holy moly, that is beautiful. So first thing it hits me is the sweetness. Very sweet, floral, something like a caramel smell in here, vanilla, but very attractive, very smooth, very well blended, very high quality. Okay, so this one's called XO Oud Xclusif Oud Sport Extrait de Parfum, 60 ml, and the notes are on top. We got lavender, cypress, saffron, and orange blossom, and in the mid we have spicy cedar, oak moss, and orange. In the base we have amber, tonka, jasmine, and woody notes. Gorgeous. I just want to keep smelling it. So beautiful. So I can smell the saffron straight away because it's quite spicy and it's got that leathery spicy feel to it. Yeah, beautiful. Lavender is huge, orange blossom is big. As I said, it's floral, is very, very floral at the moment. It's quite spicy, especially that saffron. The oak moss is there as well. It gives it that feel of camphorous feel, the green camphorous feel. I can smell the orange. Orange is like an orange peel. It's very, very attractive. Tonka is big in here. There's jasmine. I can't smell that much jasmine right now because this is first impression. It's quite ambery and it's very, very woody. Obviously it's called Xclusif Oud. There is some oud in here, but it's not a big oud. It's just in the background. But overall, absolutely gorgeous. Very, very attractive. Unisex, yes, definitely. This is very good for going out. Even though it's sport, this is more like you know, going out fragrance. But I will let you know in the next video the development and change and all the note breakdown, things like that, because in this video I just want to give you a very quick rundown and also you know, unboxing and first impression, so I don't want to be too huge video. Okay, so let's go to the next one. First one, very, very beautiful, very attractive. Okay, let's go with the blue one. So this one is called Orientica Xclusif Oud, and this is Extrait de Parfum Bleu. Extrait de Parfum Bleu. Okay, again, very thick not cardboard, it's a thick plastic, but it's very, very good quality. In the hand, feels very expensive. These are, I don't know how much they retail because, as I said, I couldn't find anything about them on Orientica's website. They don't exist yet. I'm guessing somewhere around 80 to 100 pounds each, just a guess, but you have to wait and see what the price is going to be, because this is Extrait de Parfum 60 ml, so it's not going to be less than, I'm not sure, 60, 70, 80 pounds, something like that. Anyway, so again, very pretty, and look at the bottom. The bottom is gorgeous. Wow. So this one, same bottle, same design, but this one is purple. Actually, it's not blue, it's purple. The color is purple, but it's calling it blue, so we go with the name. All right, very heavy cap. The cap is golden. The cap on that one was red, but this one is golden. It says Orientica on top, and very good sprayer. All right, don't break it. Here we go. First impression for Orientica Xclusif Oud, and this is blue. Mamma mia, what a beautiful smell. Wow. Blue, yes, but there are so many facets. Beautiful floral in here. It's quite fruity. Alright, let me read you the ingredients. So where is the blue? Blue. Okay, blue, or the coloring is purple, but it says blue. So in top we got bergamot, lavender, green apple, mandarin, orange, and pepper. Yeah, so I said it's very, very fruity. Yeah, the mandarin is big, the apple is big. Bergamot is big, lavender is big. Wow, what a quality. The first thing that hits me is the quality. Wow, what a beauty. It's just basically, it's like a pure perfume oil. It's no alcohol, no harshness, no nothing. All I'm smelling is pure perfume. Anyway, in the middle we have violet, jasmine, geranium and cardamom. Again, spicy, plus there's about floral, which is jasmine and violet and geranium together, giving it that floral feel. Yeah, very, very floral. And patchouli, sandalwood, guaiac wood and vanilla and musk in the base. The vanilla is big in here right now. The patchouli is there, beginning a little earthiness, and the sandalwood making it very, very smooth, and the musk is there as well, just a tiny bit right now. But overall, first impression, what a smell, beauty. This is going to be like this whole video, you know. Oh, beautiful. Oh, sorry about that. I can't tell a lie. I can't say no, it's not nice or it's horrible, because they're all absolutely gorgeous. At least for my nose, at least for my taste. Okay. Anyway, so let's go to the next one. That one was beautiful. All right. Let's go with the green one. And this one is called Orientica Xclusif Oud and Extrait de Parfum, and this is emerald. Sorry about the noise. Okay, absolutely gorgeous. The box is very thick plastic box, very good quality, and look at this, the coloring and the beautiful bottles. These are 60 ml Extrait de Parfum. So the cap is golden again, and let's go with the sprayer. Wow, what a beautiful sprayer. Alright, so the emerald, this is first impression. Here we go. I sound like a broken record. What can I say? Absolutely beautiful. Listen, this video is going to be beautiful, 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 because they are, you know, you can't get away with that. I don't have any more adjective to say. They are very good quality. It hits you, the notes hit you. It's just pure class and very, very high end ingredients in here. Absolutely gorgeous. So as it says, emerald is quite green, it's quite camphorous, it's quite foresty, it's quite grassy. But let me read you the ingredients. It's very, very citrusy right now as well. So we got bergamot, we got ginger, we got galbanum and tree blossom, mandarin tree blossom. In the middle we got a bay leaf, we got jasmine, mint, and in the base we have sandalwood, musk, amber and oak moss. So the combination of the ginger, green blossom, tree blossom, mandarin green tree blossom, plus that mint and the bay leaf, and again the oak moss, the old green, foresty, green, mossy feel to them. So no wonder it's very, very grassy and very foresty. But it's so many facets, you know, it's just so many facets to them, and it's just amazing. At the moment it's very citrusy, yes. It's quite woody, but obviously sandalwood is going to be there, but I'm not getting that much oud in here right now. So with the first one there are some oud, but oud is in the background. The second one, the oud wasn't there at all. This one, no oud right now. This is for first impression, first sniff anyway, but they call them Xclusif Oud, so let's see what happened in the developments. Anyway, so again, very, very classy and beautiful green fragrance, a reminiscence of classics, but in a very, very high end. Okay, all right, let's go to the last but not least, and this one is called Orientica XO Xclusif Oud Extrait de Parfum, and this is classic. Okay. Even the plastic is quite high end that it doesn't want to come off. It's quite hard to get the plastic off. Okay, so the bottle is classic. See-through with a little bit of golden color to it. And the cap is the same cap as the other ones, golden, apart from the first one, which is a red cap. They're all golden caps. And the atomizer is absolutely beautiful. You can control it, you know, you can make it as little as possible or as much as possible. It's one of those very good sprayers. Okay, here we go. First impression, and this is classic Orientica Xclusif Oud Extrait de Parfum Classic, 60 ml. Ooh, I can smell banana. Very tropical banana. What is the other name? Coconut. So right now coconut and banana is huge. Melon, coconut, banana. Mamma mia, this is very tropical. So bergamot, green notes, melon, obviously melon is here, pineapple, yes, gourmand, woody, vanilla, and musk. Yes, vanilla is big. Oh, beautiful basket of fruits, is very tropical. So there's definitely melon, there's watermelon, there's apple, there's coconut, and there's banana. For some reason I can get banana, and also the vanilla is very big at the moment, holding everything together and giving it that sweetness. It's like a basket of fruit, but tropical fruit. Okay, so this is very tropical. Instead of calling it classic, they should have called it tropical, but anyway, the naming is the name. And again, there is no oud in here as well. So apart from the first one, which is the red one, the sport, which has some oud but in the background. Even in that one, the oud is not huge, it's just in the background. And none of the other ones had oud, but overall very good quality, very well blended, very high-end perfumery. Plus though the ingredients is, mamma mia, is just high-end ingredients. Mamma mia, it's just mesmerizing. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. I hope that was entertaining or informative. If you like what I do, if you find it informative, useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit those buttons, and in the next video I'll give you an update about these beauties, about their performance, their development and things like that. But I'm telling you right now, it has to wait to see what the prices are on these ones, because if they are under say £80, £90, whatever, mamma mia, Orientica, you have superbly, you know, done a superb job, and these are all winners. Very high end, especially for this time of year, for Christmas. Mamma mia, they're going to be beautiful present for some lucky people. Okay, thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.